Are we literally looking to the past every day in sunlight? Time travel has fascinated us for generations, and we see it in movies, television shows, and popular fiction, dating back centuries. Who isn't intrigued by the idea of hopping into some state-of-the-art machines that can shoot you back to your favorite memory as a child, except it isn't really a memory at all, but the real event taking place right in front of your eyes? What if you could travel to the future to see what has become of you and the people you love? The possibilities are simply too fantastic and mind-boggling to consider. As appealing as the concept is, it is also quite confusing at times, thanks to the theory of relativity, which was put forth by the great German scientist, Albert Einstein. Now, what would you say if we told you that you time traveled every day? The universe is a magic time window, allowing us to peer into the past. The further out we look, the further back in time we see. Despite our brains telling us things we see happen at the instant we view them, light moves at a mere 300,000 kilometers per second, which makes for a weird time delay at great distances. There are many different parts of the eye that help to create vision. Light passes through the cornea, the clear, dome-shaped surface that covers the front of the eye. The cornea bends, or refracts, this incoming light. These electrical signals are processed further, and then travel from the retina of the eye to the brain through the optic nerve. We see with our brains, our eyes collect visual information and begin this complex process. Let's say that you're talking with a friend who's about a meter away. The light from your friend's face took about 3.336 nanoseconds to reach you. You're always seeing your loved ones 3.336 nanoseconds into the past. When you look around you, you're not seeing the world as it is, you're seeing the world as it was, a fraction of a second ago. And the further things are, the further back in time you're looking. This is an average number. Remember, the Earth follows an elliptical orbit around the Sun, ranging from 147 million to 152 million kilometers. At its closest point, sunlight only takes 490 seconds to reach Earth. And then at the most distant point, it takes 507 seconds for sunlight to make the journey. But the story of light gets even more interesting, when you think about the journey light needs to make inside the Sun. The light you see from your computer screen is nanoseconds old. The light reflected from the surface of the Moon takes only a second to reach Earth. The Sun is more than 8 light minutes away. And so, if the light from the nearest star, Alpha Centauri, takes more than 4 years to reach us, we're seeing that star 4 years in the past. What you probably don't know is that these photons striking your eyeballs were actually created tens of thousands of years ago, and it took that long for them to be emitted by the Sun. Once they escaped the surface, it was only a short 8 minutes for those photons to cross the vast distance from the Sun to the Earth. As you look outward into space, you're actually looking backwards in time. The bottom line is, without light, there would be no sight. The visual ability of humans and other animals is the result of the complex interaction of light, eyes and brain. We are able to see because light from an object can move through space and reach our eyes. This is a potentially interesting question, and we suppose that the answer is relative. Depending on how you look at the situation, everything and nothing is seen in the present. Everything that we see is being seen by us in the present. However, we can never see any object the way that object looks at the moment we are viewing it. This is due to the fact that no matter how close we may be to an object, there is always some distance between the observer and the object. Light travels at a fixed speed unless otherwise manipulated in complex ways, and therefore the amount of time it takes for the light to reach the observer can be calculated using the formula, time equals distance, speed of light. Again, regardless of the distance, there will always be some portion of time required, and as a result nothing is seen in the present, despite it being only small fractions of a second behind for close objects. So that concludes today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Share your views in the comment box. We would love to hear them. Also, if you want to know about any things, any category, let us know in the comment box and we will try to make a video regarding your thoughts. Hit the like button and subscribe, it will encourage us for our upcoming video, and also the feeling like we have added some value to the society. See you all next time.